Well, listen, I want to tell y'all something straight up. The secret to getting tips.
This is LJJ's Lawn Care. I'll be there in a jiffy to make your lawn be crispy and squared. This is LJJ's Lawn Care. My prices are so thrifty, you might just want to tip me, I'm rare. This is LJJ's Lawn Care. Whether it's scorching or it's nippy, in the morning I will swiftly be there. This is LJJ's Lawn Care. Just call me if you need me. No stalling, I'm not greedy, I'm fair.
Do good quality professional work. People will tip you. They see it. It's just an urge. It's nothing that it's just like a sneeze, and that's what happens. Like just like when you got to sneeze, achoo, people go achoo choo and give you your money. All right, right now I'm finna test out this Toro GTS 163cc. Basically, this is a personal pace auto drive. It's supposed to be a 4-wheel drive, but the thing is, when you press this part, that's when it goes forward. It won't go forward if you're not, it's not a self-propel. So that's how that go. So I bought it. It didn't come with the side chute. They just sent this in the mail for to see if this will help out this yard right here. I do quality. That's what I'm about. I'm about quality. I don't care about how long it takes to get the quality to make it pop. That's just what I do. It has nothing to do with anything else. I'm just into quality. I like how it looks at the end. I like to see the beginning and the ending. 4-blade edge. Clean up all this. Make it real nice and neat. I'm done. This is the first edge job, but the more I come out here, it's gonna look even more beautiful. Beautiful. Do your customers tip you? You know, I don't expect my customers to tip me, but they do. I literally don't expect it, but they do. They like what they see. But if you do quality and exceptional work, you will get a great tip. You know, people tip. No, look at that, guaranteed start. Guaranteed to start. The Toro Vortex. I'm gonna tell you what, this Toro personal pace, I didn't like it at first. I like it now. It didn't come with the kick, the side shoot. You guys already know that. This is supposed to be a 3-in-1, and it didn't come with the side shoot. But now it's got the side shoot. It's doing right. The this mulching thing, they call it recycling, is not the best. It's not the best. I'm just keeping it real with you. When I first got it, I cut some yards. I didn't get my blade short because from my understanding is that when you first get a lawnmower, you ain't got to get your blade sharpened, but that'll be falsified. You have to sharpen your blades. Sharpen your blades. I don't care if you got to sharpen it every week. Sharpen your blades. Keep your blades sharp. Because if you keep your blades sharp, you will be able to get some high quality cuts. You want them tips, right? If you got any value out of these videos that I did today, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and comment what you think. I'm gonna get back with y'all. God bless you. Remember, work hard. People will see what you're doing. People will tip you. Any work that you do with your hands, you will be recompensed. It shall be rendered unto your hands. Straight up, it's written. I'ma holler at y'all. God bless you. Peace.
This is LJJ's Lawn Care. I'll be there in a jiffy to make your lawn be crispy and squared. This is LJJ's Lawn Care. My prices are so thrifty, you might just want to tip me, I'm rare. This is LJJ's Lawn Care. Whether it's scorching or it's nippy, in the morning I will swiftly be there. This is LJJ's Lawn Care.